Hi there. Welcome to Innovative Stack. Imagine a database that scales automatically, costs less, and needs zero maintenance. Welcome to the world of Neon Serverless Postgres. So, what exactly is Neon? Neon is a fully managed serverless Postgres SQL database. It combines the power of Postgres SQL, one of the most popular relational databases, with the flexibility and scalability of serverless technology. In simple terms, it's a database that automatically scales up or down based on your application's needs, and you only pay for what you use. Why should you care about Neon? Unlike traditional databases, Neon takes the hassle out of scaling and managing infrastructure. This makes it ideal for anyone looking to simplify their backend setup. You can click on Sign Up button to create your account. Here I'll go with Google. And soon after you create your account, you will be redirected to the onboarding. Here we can get started with the Neon for free. And soon after you create your account, you will be redirected to the onboarding. Here we can get started with the Neon for free. You can start by filling all the details and then click on the option Create Project. Now, the second step is important. Here you own compute size. The vCPU is the virtual CPU that determines the number of virtual processors available for the database. In this, we'll use recommended. And just like that, we are redirected to Neon dashboard. Now go ahead and copy your Postgres connection string. You can simply paste this connection in your .env file in your project. The reason for making a video on Neon is that it allows you to run serverless database, means everything from setup to your auto-scaling and much more, using cloud providers, installing Postgres. And you would also have to give up your credit card before you can understanding how things work. But if you ship things faster, while learning new things, then together use Neon Postgres for free. If you like the video, do hit the like button and subscribe to Innovative Stack.